Today, I want to discuss different scenarios how a rental income can split between couples who jointly own the buy-to-let property. Scenario 1. There is a couple who owns jointly a rental flat 50-50, but a wife paid more of the deposit and wants to declare 80% of the rental income. Someone told them they just need to agree it between them. I advised that it's not quite right because you both are married and you own the property as tenants in common with unequal beneficial ownership. HMRC automatically assumes a 50-50 income split for tax purposes. If you want HMRC to recognize as 80-20 split, you must legally document your beneficial ownership. For example, a deed of trust. Submit HMRC Form 17 within 60 days of signing the deed and ensure the declared split matches your actual beneficial interest. Wife raised a question that Form 17 makes HMRC accept the real split of ownership. I answered that exactly. Without Form 17, HMRC will still tax you 50-50 even if you funded most of the purchase. Now, scenario 2. Another couple who owns a rental house 50-50, but wife is in a higher tax band. Can they file Form 17 so the husband takes 100% of the income? The answer is no. Form 17 does not apply unless you already have unequal beneficial ownership, because you currently own the property jointly and equally. HMRC says the income must be split 50-50. Form 17 cannot be used to change the tax outcome. Husband further inquires, what if they want a different split? Then what should we do? My answer was that you would need to change the underlying ownership first. For example, via a deed of trust, transferring a share of the property. Only after that change could you use Form 17. Scenario 3. There is an unmarried couple, but they own a rental property together. Do they need Form 17? The answer is no. Form 17 only applies to married couples and civil partners. Unmarried joint owners can split income in any proportion that reflects their real beneficial ownership, and HMRC will accept that without even a Form 17. At Taxaccolega Chartered Accountants, we help landlords structure their property ownership in the most tax efficient and fully compliant way. Use Form 17 only when married civil partner landlords have unequal beneficial ownership and want HMRC to recognize it. Do not use Form 17 to try to manipulate income. The beneficial ownership must be legally documented first. Keep evidence such as deeds of trust, transfer forms, and mortgage lender consent where required. Seek professional advice before changing ownership or filing Form 17. Always file the form within 60 days or HMRC will reject it. If you are a landlord unsure about Form 17, beneficial ownership, or the best tax structure for your property portfolio, Taxaccolega is here to help you. You can call us on 0208 127 0728.